Take a look at this drop top here, unique specialty in classics. This one has room for you and all your friends. It's a 1966 Oldsmobile 98 convertible. Actually a two-owner vehicle, been with the second owner for the past 24 years. Originally sold out on the West Coast, Washington. Underneath the hood, 425 cubic inches, V8 power. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact, power steering, power brakes. Just take a look at the chrome up front, grille, headlight bezels. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. White exterior, burgundy interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see it with the top up, top down, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk, and all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Oldsmobile hubcap all the way around it. White wall radial tires, and let's take a look down this passenger side. Little touch-up spot here you can see. Otherwise, I haven't noticed any real major nicks, dings, or scratches on this passenger side. Fender skirts. Convertible top cover, nice shape. Little tear in one spot right here. Red vinyl interior, bench seat up front. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. If you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. I will tell you a few things that will need attention on this car too. First, let's take a peek at the chrome on the rear bumper. We do have a little bit of delaminating over here. And I noticed a little chipped out lens in the rear. All right, once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. All right, a few notes from the technician on this one. Brakes are 100% in the front and the rear, so those are good to go. Wipers do work. Typical powertrain seats. Did mention the odometer and speedo in-op, as well as the stereo. You're going to hear a little bit of an exhaust leak when we start it up. Let's hear it run. Could use a coolant flush, as well as front sway bar link bushings and the upper control arm bushings. Consigner said note those things, price it accordingly. So here you go, and that is something that we can take care of if you're interested in purchasing this and work out an estimate in the shop, and or you can have it done where you're at, or maybe next guy that picks this one up likes to do a little of his own mechanic work. If you like these big Oldsmobiles, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. That can be done online right up our showroom floor. Power windows, power seat over here. Driver's side, take a look at the door panel. Little spot where the seat's been mended. A couple of buttons missing. Looks like it's probably the original interior. All right. Get the key for this. We'll get it fired up. $425 pops right over. Fuel gauge. Pretty stock looking dash. Your power top, power antenna. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to pop this hood open so you take a peek at the engine bay, and then we'll check out that convertible top. There it is, 425 V8. Battery disconnect for it's in storage, room between drives, power steering, power brakes. like a pretty stock engine bay. Let me get the tripod set up and we'll check out this convertible top. And convertible top up. So as you can see, functions as it should. Actually looks like a practically new top, white vinyl. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Side glass also rolled up, so power windows. I did have to use the passenger rear switch for that window, just so you know. The main one didn't work on the driver's door, but the power window does work. You just have to use that switch. No rips, tears, holes. Glass rear window. Good shape. Yeah, there's no real wear on this top at all. Like I said, it's pretty much like new. And side glass on the passenger side. Nice fit. Good fit back above the windshield. I'll show you it functioning and going back into the storage area for it too, so I'll show you it going down. 1966 Oldsmobile 98 convertible. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a big convertible 1966 Oldsmobile 98. Beautiful big boat, as you might say. With a red interior and a white exterior. Wood grain on the dash. Very cool steering wheel. The horn works. We have clock equipped right here. The blower motor works on this car, as do the wipers. Now the speedometer's not moving, but the fuel gauge reads almost a half of a tank. The power bench seat does function in all positions, multi-position, power adjustability. Brakes are nice and smooth. This car starts and idles smoothly right away. Easy to drive, automatic on the column. Excellent power steering. And a luxurious ride down the highway. Find all the pictures of this 66 Olds 98 at uniqueclassiccars.com.